welcome back to my Chinese class. I'm Kate. 大家好. Today we will learn Chinese grammar, comparative form. Alright, let's just get started with some examples. Welcome my lipsticks. Alright, they have their own names. This is Katie, this is Mary, and this is Linda. I have one question for you guys. Do you think my little girl Linda is tall? Do you think Linda is tall? No. Why? 为什么? Because Mary is taller than Linda. Because Mary is taller than Linda. 因为 Mary 比 Linda 更高。因为 Mary 比 Linda 更高 taller 更高 Then how about Katie? Katie is the tallest one. Katie最高 Follow me. 最高 means tallest 最高 Alright, let's try again. 高 the first tone. 高 means tall. And how about taller? 更高 means taller. And tallest 最高 means tallest. We add 更 before 高 to express taller, and we add 最 before 高 to express tallest. We say Mary is taller than Linda. Mary 比 Linda 更高 Mary 比 Linda 更高 Okay, please remember 比更高 means taller than 比 actually means compare, but we use than to express compare here, right? And Katie 最高 Katie is the tallest. Please remember 最高 the tallest. Alright, let's try another example. Now I have 3 bags. How about this one? What do you think? I think this one is very good.我认为这个很好 And how about this one? I think this one is better. 我认为这个更好 And how about this yellow one? I think this one is the best. 我认为这个最好 Alright, good 好 good 好 better 更好 and the best 最好 So we add 更 before 好 to express better and we add 最 before 好 to express the best, right? So the same, we add 更 and we add 最 right? Do you remember? 最好 最高更好 And now I will show you guys my mom's paintings. What do you think about this one? I think this painting is very beautiful. 我认为这幅画很美 beautiful How about this painting? How about this painting? This painting is more beautiful. This painting is more beautiful. 这幅画更美。这幅画更美。Okay, this one is the most beautiful one. This one is the most beautiful one. 这幅画最美。这幅画最美。这幅画最美。Actually, I think all of my mother's paintings are beautiful. Okay, follow me. All of the paintings are beautiful. 所有的画都很美。所有的画都很美。所有的画都很美。All of the paintings are beautiful. Comparative form is very, very easy, right? Please remember 比更and 最比更最 Very good. Alright, this is today's Chinese class. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe me. Bye bye!